Hello, All Stars. It's Mrs. Graham. Today is Thursday, October 28th. Let's find out what is on our calendar for the day. Had a lot going on our calendar this month. Let's find out what is going to happen for the 28th of October. What do you think it will be? Dun, dun, dun. Oh! 2, 4, 6, 7 acorns, and 3 chestnuts. Wow. 7 and 3. Our big number being 10. So let's go over to our chart and add that for today's information. 10 is our big number. And we have our numbers under our number tree, 7, 3. Tom had 7 acorns. Bobby had 3 chestnuts. How many do they have all together? Yeah, 7 plus 3 equals 10. I'll make that bigger for you so you can see it. We have our number tree. We have our math story, our story problem. And then we have our equation to explain our story. Great job, All Stars. It's time for us to add another day of school to our days in school. Let's find out where we will be. Whoa! Do you see what I see? We have made it to the 40th day of school together. 40 days. 4 groups of 10. Wow. 40 days in school. So we'll write the big number 40 here. 40, which is 4 groups of 10. 4 tens. And 0 ones. 0 ones. Now, we could also say 40 plus 0 equals 40. Can you think of a math fact that would equal 40? You can pause the video for a moment, write down your answer, and then come right back to the video. Looking forward to see what you put. We're going to also add another block to our collection. Today, I think we should add some rhombuses. So we're going to add 2 rhombuses to our collection. Let's see how many rhombuses we have. And we remember from our last session, rhombuses have how many sides? If you said 4, you are absolutely correct. So let's count how many rhombuses we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rhombuses on our collection. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I want to do one practice activity like this, and then I have a special assignment for you. Take 2 numbers, so it's 0. Let's see what the other number will be. And 9. Oh my. What do we put there in between those 2 numbers? Greater than, less than, or equal to. Sharky super hungry. You think we should open Sharky's mouth towards the 9? You are correct. Yes. Great job, All-Stars. Great job. Very proud of you. Today I have a special job for you to do in Number Corner. Today you are going to, since it is the 40th day of school, we are going to work on this activity. I'd like you to pull out your math book that has blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. It has the words Number Corner at the top of the book. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. You are going to open that book, once you do have it, to page 9. If you need to pause the video while you go grab the book, please do that. All right, now that you have your book, we are going to follow the information that is on the page. It asks us to help Tad hop from 0 to 40 to trace his steps. So we're going to take our pencils and hop 10, 20, 30, 40. We're hopping by groups of 10 on the number line. After we do that, it says trace and say the numbers in the 30s family. So we're going to trace them and say them. We would trace and say 30, 31. You can take your pencil and actually write it in. 32. And keep saying all of the numbers as you trace over them. You're then going to choose a number to practice writing. Write it here as many times as you can. You have 2 lines. So even if you picked more than one number from above to practice writing, you can use this space to practice writing them. It asks you, what number comes after 39? What number does come after 39? It's 40, so you would write the number 40 here. And the last part of the page asks you to write down at least 4, not 1, not 2, but 4 facts that equal the number 40. I know you can do it. I believe in you, All-Stars. Get started on this page. Off you go.